Here are 5 dangerous myths that holistic medicine pushes about heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD. And I'm also going to share with you 3 natural remedies that you can use to rapidly heal these burning ulcers in your stomach. I mean, this is just the worst condition, but it goes away really quickly when you address the root cause of the problem. My name is Mike the Heal Your Gut Guy. I healed myself 100% naturally of Crohn's and all sorts of other digestive issues. I've helped many other people do the same. It's actually very easy to do when you address the root cause with the help of German New Medicine. Understanding that these conditions have a psychic root cause. They originate in the brain. And so the first myth that we're going to go over is that heartburn, these stomach issues are caused by stress. Now, this is like a half truth. It's caused by a very particular type of stress. So, when Dr. Hammer would look at all his patients with heartburn, he would do a CT scan of their brain, and right here in the temporal lobe, 100% of the time, if they had heartburn, they would have a sharp ring. And if the person had H. pylori and gastritis, this ring would become more washed out, meaning that this special program, that this organ has gone from overdrive into a healing state. So think about it, like all of our organs have a survival purpose, and when we experience a conflict shock, a stressful event that catches us off guard, our body puts an organ into overdrive to help us survive. And Dr. Hammer could see this on a CT scan. He'd see this 100% of the time. And so it's caused by 2 different types of stress, or 2 different types of conflict shocks. For men, it's going to mostly be a territorial anger, especially if you're left-handed. And if you're right-handed, there's a small chance that it can be an identity conflict. An identity conflict is a more feminine way to experience this conflict. I don't know what decision to make. Should I go to school? Should I get married to this person? Should I break up? Oh, I don't know what to do. Or where a territorial anger is like, oh, this guy, he took my girlfriend. I'm gonna kick his ass. Oh, I'm super angry. Things like that. What were you really angry about when your heartburn started? For you ladies and some of you men, what were you could not make, this is something you were super stressed out about, and it was also paired with depression. In the temporal lobes, when we get a conflict shock that registers on our right temporal lobes, it makes us depressed. It also makes us more feminine. When I talk to a right-handed male that has heartburn, he's generally more feminine, and that's it's how our body is designed. It helps us survive the environment that we're in. So when we're stressed out, the small curvature of the stomach here, it responds with cell loss, and when this conflict is intense enough and long enough, this cell loss eventually turns into ulcers, and they start to burn. It goes on for a little bit longer, and the valves at the bottom and at the top start to malfunction. And this is how you get heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD. Being conflict active for a very long time in a territorial anger or an identity conflict. And so the way that you fix this is to resolve the territorial anger or the identity conflict and keep it resolved. Because a lot of people, the conflict's off and on their whole lives. So that's number 1. Number 2 is, in the holistic community, is the stomach isn't making enough acid, so we need to give it more acid so that it works better. It literally makes 0 sense, and it's actually very dangerous. Because think about it, you have ulcers here, you have open wounds here, and there's just more and more acid coming down the hatch. The more acid you put into your stomach when you have these open ulcers, it's going to make it hurt more. And there's even some holistic people recommending people to take cayenne pepper. Imagine rubbing hot chili peppers into your wound. It's going to hurt. Imagine rubbing hot chili peppers into the ulcers in your stomach. It's going to hurt. And hot chilies are high in vitamin C, which is it's a sympathetic, it's a stimulant, making you more conflict active, and it's just going to increase. It's just going to make things worse. So instead, which holistic medicine likes to ridicule people for, is taking, oh, don't take antacids, you won't be able to digest everything and things will get worse. Antacids, I don't recommend taking antacids for years and ignoring the root cause of the problem. But if your heartburn is super intense and you need to manage the pain, take antacids. Yeah, I would take the most basic ones. I would avoid the proton pump inhibitors because you don't want to mess with that. But an antacid would be a good idea for those of you suffering from really bad heartburn to help you deal with the pain. So when you're in pain, you can't focus. You can't do the emotional work you need to do to resolve these conflicts causing these things. So it's okay to take antacids, and I would not take extra acids when you're suffering from this. The holistic community loves to blame everything on nutritional deficiencies, which are extremely rare in the modern world. So I was watching one YouTube video and they're like, oh, you are deficient in calcium, and that's why this one muscle in your body, over the thousands of other muscles in your body, this one muscle in your body decide to malfunction because you don't have enough calcium. No. The reason why this muscle is it's not even malfunctioning. I think this is actually a malfunction. It's when this gets beat up, this sphincter starts to malfunction. So that's what's going on here. It has nothing. I mean, if you were super nutrient deficient, everything in general starts to fall apart. But GERD, acid reflux, and heartburn it's not a nutritional deficiency. It is a conflict shock causing these organs to adapt, and which produces symptoms. And so the fifth one is that it's caused by eating dirty foods. That, oh, you're not eating clean enough, and these toxins build up, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't make any sense. So all food is going to cause pain when you have ulcers, because if you rub food into ulcers, it's going to smash into these ulcers and it's going to hurt. The bigger meal that you eat, the longer the food has to sit in your stomach, and it's going to take longer time to break down, and the stomach's going to have to contract, and the more the ulcers are being agitated. And this is another very dangerous thing that the holistic community recommends, is like fasting, 1 meal a day, 2 meal a days. So if you're doing 1 and 2 meal a days, those are bigger meals you're going to have to eat, and that's the longer time this food's going to have to sit in your stomach and bounce up against these ulcers. So for natural remedies, the first thing that you need to do is identify and resolve the territorial anger or the identity conflict. That is the most important thing you need to do, and you're probably going to need to work with a German New Medicine expert in order to do that. Eat light meals. And another one is cabbage juice. Cabbage juice seems to have a very good track record in helping these ulcers heal. But again, these ulcers are not going to heal. And cabbage juice is absolutely disgusting. I would not even think about doing cabbage juice until you identify and resolve the conflict. And you'll know you've done that when the burning pain turns into a pressure pain and the depression starts to go away. So that is what we're looking for here. If you would like my help with this, I have something called the Rapid Gut Healing Program, where I do like 3 live Q&As a week, and you can talk to me and my other coaches. I have one coach that's been doing German New Medicine for over 10 years. Has a lot of hands-on experience. Another coach that is trained in hypnosis and NLP. He's very good at helping people get over these negative emotions dominating their lives. It comes with all sorts of educational videos, and we have a private Facebook group where we answer your questions every single day. Now, if you don't have the money for that, that is okay. I have a 30-day plan down in the description below. You can click on that and get the information you need to get better, to understand this process and what's going on in your gut. Leave a comment down below. I answer everybody's comments. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. It does a lot for us in the YouTube algorithm. Let me know what other videos you want me to make, and I will also put a link down in the description for the Learning GNM page for heartburn. So thanks again, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.